How to fix iPhone can't hear calls. So if you want to fix your iPhone can't hear calls, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply make sure that you've turned off your Bluetooth, because if your Bluetooth is on, then it will be connected to your nearby AirPods or some Bluetooth devices. So you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off. Once done, you can just press your volume up button and make sure that the volume is to the maximum level. Once done, you need to also restart your device. Just simply go and restart. After restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit, go with accessibility. And from here, you will find an option of touch, tap on it, then scroll down again, and you will find call audio routing. And make sure that it's set to automatic. Once done, you need to go back, and then you'll find audio and visual section. Once you tap on audio and visual, you need to scroll down and then you will find an option of add voice isolation. You need to just simply go and turn it on. After turning it on, you need to go back and then go with your general section. Go back again, tap on general. Under general, you need to scroll down and then tap on transfer, reset iPhone, and then tap on reset and reset all of your settings. After resetting, if you have any updates, tap on software updates. And if you have any updates, you need to go and update it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.